Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have a product for you that I picked up on Amazon, and it is a Nintendo Switch carrying case kind of slash kit, because it comes with a lot of parts and pieces that are designed to help protect your Nintendo Switch and keep it from getting damaged and scratched, etc. So let's go in everything you get. This is obviously the box that it comes in. Right off the bat, you're going to get a stand and a case. We'll go over these in a minute. Now, to protect your Switch, you're going to get these silicone covers that go over the Joy-Cons. You also are going to get, to go over the Joy-Cons, you get 2 sets of these little kind of rubber things that help go over the Joy-Con sticks themselves to kind of give you a better grip texture. So they just kind of go right over that. And then this I thought was super useful. Now I already have one of these on my Switch, and I highly recommend them if you're new and just got one for the holidays, etc. These are a glass protector. Now this will keep this glass from getting scratched, especially when you're putting the Switch into the docking station. Which if you don't do it right, you can easily scratch your screen. So there's a cleaning cloth in here, and then you have a thinner glass protector, or you have a more sturdy, thicker one, which will help protect you. So I highly recommend it for that. And then on top of it, you also get one of those silicone covers for the Switch itself. Now, I'm not a big fan of the covers. I don't have a cover on my phone or anything. But these also are nice because it will just help protect your device if you so want to. All right, so let me kind of show you how the stand works here. So the stand is really cool, especially when you're traveling and you want to set it up to go, to make it easier to play. So you got the little kickstand part out here. There's 3 adjustable height settings. And then there's a little door here that you kind of pull down like that, and then you just set your Switch there. It's as simple as that. So that way it makes it easier playing, especially if you're using the Joy-Cons or you're even using one of the other remote controls. Now it does have a hole here, so if you want to charge the Switch while you're playing, just plug it in and then send the hole through back and plug it into the wall. So this is a very cool feature, the little stand here. And then the main reason why I bought this was for the case. So the case is nice. It's got this kind of leathery vinyl covering here on the back with these 2 little bump outs for the bottom of the case that sits out. You open it up, and you've got a kind of a pouch here for your cables, power cords, etc. And then you've got a bunch of slots here for your various games. So just slide the games in here and they hold them nice. And the fabric on the back will keep them from getting scratched and everything. So that's also nice. And then the Switch just slides in here like so. And that's it. So, and then this covers the screen, which has got a extra soft covering here, and that's it. So your Switch is all nice, compacted, lightweight, ready to go. They also include this if you want to attach it to either the zipper or this little hook right here for when you're traveling, if you want to hold it by something. So it kind of just goes like that. And that's really it. Like I said, I picked this up on Amazon, so I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out and see what other people say, see if it's the right fit for you. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And if you thought this video was helpful, please hit that like button and feel free to share. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. You, my friend, are awesome because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.